green.
What's going on, everybody? This is Mike Stream.
Post car is off. Time to do your job.
And we are here at the Nashville
14
Fairgrounds
car.
with the C6 NASCAR trucks. This is an
Green
official
flag,
race.
green flag. Car inside. Clear.
We just bought this track, so.
Sorry, no.
We just want to hang in here and try not to get murderized. Other people wrecking around there.
Yeah, we're butting it.
There's a wall here all around it too.
Yeah. Nothing back. Not good. I've hit it twice already.
He's hit it every lap so far. Up, he did it.
Slow car down low. The yellow flag is out. They want you in single file. Pit road is closed right now. Past the pace car.
Cass, appreciate the room on this spot up.
Catch start 14 car.
Hey, you good?
Hey, everybody go follow Cass on Twitch, alright?
Yeah, give me old click, you know.
That's the cure to the coronavirus right there. Follow him. I did it. I feel great. I ran my best lap so far.
Pit road's open.
Go follow him. Brandon, you got a Twitch too? You should have linked it.
It's Boston Boy 83. I don't do the Lincoln thing. I haven't got my keyboard set up for it.
Type it in after the race, I'll forget. Just the name of it.
Appreciate it. Cass, I'll follow you, follow me.
Yeah, no problemos.
And Cass, I'm sorry, but I had to close out your stream. If I have Twitch going in iRacing, it slows everything down.
I will not fault somebody
Yeah, go,
for doing that.
Go visit people on
good.
Twitch. I think it was Crypto Sim Racer or something like that.
One thing I love about Twitch is like under cautions, I'll swap to it if I have it running. If the guy has caps and I'm in the race, I try to see how much irate I give good a gauge.
Pit road is closed right now. Doing good. Keep it up.
We've already gained way more spots than we wanted.
Or how much I'll lose, depending on how it's going. By the way, your right side's a big clean.
Well, I didn't make much contact with it. It was rough.
No, I just gave it a little kiss.
You got to at least once.
Got it right.
I heard scrubbing it just...
One left to green. Line up on the inside. Catch start 12.
Gotta go just for a smooch. Can't try to head on it too hard, then it gets you in trouble.
That's right.
Get ready. Going green. Pace car is off. Be ready. Green, green, green. That car is a lap down. Slow car down low. Go high. Inside. The yellow flag is out. Line up. Single file. Closed. Pit road is closed. Past the 18. Car.
I think I need to pit for 4 tires.
We do get 2 sets of tires, but at the rate this is going, we're going to save those for a little while. Because there's going to be a lot of damaged trucks.
Pit road is now open.
There's been a lot of guys last
me
down
down,
trying to go back.
Catch star 12, car.
My frames are jumping all over the place and just, I'm liking it.
Been fine so far.
Half star 13, car.
It's like 85, 50, 60, 70, and I'm like, oh, yeah.
Catch star 12, car. Left star 13, car by. You had the position when the yellow flag came out.
Come on, bud.
Just trying to have a safe race. I just don't know how it's gonna happen. Start 18th, we're up to 12th. Should be 2 to green at the line. See if we can't survive a few more laps of this wonderful shindig here. Then we'll get to run 4 to green. Not a crazy talk. Crazy talk.
We've got one too many caution laps here.
I can agree with that statement.
Pit road is closed.
Should have been 2 to green last time back.
Half star 11, car.
Why do we want someone 87 to tell me about my my SR is down to 2.3, so I can't get it.
1 to go, next time by. Line up on the outside. Catch star 6, car. About to go green, stay focused. The pace car is in. Green, green, green. Car inside. Stay high, there's a car on the low side. Clear, car inside. Still there, inside. Still there. Still there at the bottom. Clear inside.
I did, yeah.
Outside. Keep low. Still there. Slow car down low, outside is clear. The yellow flag is out. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed. Catch star 8 car, catch star 8 car.
These guys are definitely driving aggressive. Just being easy on tires.
The pit road's open.
We haven't gone green on these tires yet.
Brandon, either you're the smartest guy out here or the other way around. Oliver, I got a quick question for you.
Go ahead.
Further caution.
You got a question?
So, at least a couple weeks ago when the Cup cars were here, everybody was running kind of line I'm running at 3 and 4 in the middle and then shoot down low on the exit. I see you guys are all running kind of the middle towards top and then shoot down to like the center of the corner. Are you doing that to save your tires?
No, not really.
I was just curious. And if I'm talking too much, just tell me to shut up, everybody.
No, you're good.
Yeah.
Dang it, Tom. You talk too damn much.
Compared to some of the real blue, you are one of the more quiet.
Yeah. There's some squealers out here. Not much older than them. I'm only 16, but
Pit road is closed right now.
Right? Yeah, I'm almost 17.
I don't know. So what was there?
One left to green.
10 of us
You'll be
today?
loading up on the inside.
Oh, 11. Starting 12 here in the death zone. Just be careful.
I just saw what Wade did last race on just barely old tires, or him getting new tires, and everybody else had barely old.
Get ready, going
Shot.
green.
Yeah.
The pace car is off. Be ready. Green flag, green flag.
I was not expecting that.
Did you get loose too?
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
I thought you backed off to not kill me, but yeah, I about smiled.
Go high. The yellow flag is out. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed. Left up, 18. Carbide. You had the position when the yellow flag came out.
Yeah, it's over.
This is a fun
Pit
track, but it
road's
does
open.
sound
Catch up, 18. Car.
How many laps can you generally get on a set of tires?
and 99.99.
Okay, go. You only have one tyre set remaining. Line up, single file. Catch up, 8 car. Catch up, 8 car. Catch up, 7 car.
Oliver, I got any right front damage?
No, not really.
Thank you.
Oliver, I'm surprised to stay.
Yeah, I'm banking on a few more cautions.
Yeah, I think you're probably right. 14, you can see you got the bulls on the back of the car, and it looks like a bullhorn went through.
You cars are looking lead up.
Left rear, so crunch stand.
Yeah, so given the number of cautions in this thing, what we're going to try to do here is just stay out as much as we can here. Take our last one around, say 45. Anytime after lap 45, if we get a caution, we're going to come in and take those tires.
One lap to green. You'll be lining up on the inside. Catch up, 8 car.
Anybody take 2?
About to go green. Stay focused.
No.
The pace car is off. Be ready. Green, green, green. Coming up on halfway here. Go high. The yellow flag is out. They want you in single file. Pit road is closed.
To say that was intense would be an understatement. I don't know about you, Cass, but my suddenly went through the damn roof.
Yeah, it was a little fog jam there, you know.
Wreck avoidance skill.
I don't think
Leveled
everybody sucks, Cameron. Maybe a few, but everybody, that's pushing it.
Oh, we're trolling now. Keep trolling.
Keep right in.
Everyone struggles in their own way, shape, or form.
Catch up, 7 car.
Yeah, when we were coming out of 2 that last time, I thought we were going to be like 4 wide.
Letter 11, car by.
Lucky dog coming on, guys. My bad, 11.
What needs to happen is it goes green at the end.
Just want to say this is my first time at this track. I literally, like I think I said earlier, just bought this track today. Did practice a little bit. Was not running nearly what the leaders ran in qualifying. About a half second off of that per lap, which, you know, on this track it's 30 something laps and you're down one. But even with that, I wouldn't be too upset being down a lap.
Pit road is closed.
It certainly does look like the way this race is going, it'd be easy to get a lap or 2 back. I mean, they're certainly not done with the caution yet. By the way, they're bunching up. And they're all racing each other hard. I mean, they're racing each other like the championships on the line for it. I think I'm in the top
like the weird
80 or 90 out of 2,000 in my division.
Yeah, that's called week 13.
Happy to stay there.
Between seasons.
One to go. Next time by. Line up on the inside. Catch up. 13 car.
Lose stuff.
Like they're saying, next week's week 13. Some more fun races. A few more options for non-points races, which will be nice.
About to go green, stay focused. Post car is off, time to do your job. Green flag, green flag. Car outside. Go low, caution, yellow flag. They want you in single file. Pit road is closed right now.
Jeez, guys, get some laps? I don't know, I don't know how else fast.
Pit road is now open.
Oh!
Let me put laps on these tires yet, so I'm going to stay out. Yeah, we probably just got one.
Catch start 12, car.
This will be fun to see Oliver.
Tires are still at 99.
Left up 11, car by.
Yeah. Not going to have a lot of laps, and especially with the yellows.
If you don't get the yellows, man, you can come through the field. I saw a guy, and I did it earlier this week, make 11 position with 3 laps with fresh tires.
Jesus. Well,
There's going to be another caution.
I'm in third right now, and I
We're getting
did,
our tires
what,
on the
like
next one.
7 laps later than you guys did?
20 more laps.
Just trying to keep it alive. White Cliff. Just
Hoping
trying
I
to stay
can get
alive.
to first and have a ton of cautions. I don't like cautions when I'm trying to race for the lead, but once I have the lead, you can have them all you want.
The only thing that sucks is if you run a clean race, you get less safety rating, because this doesn't give you as much safety rating for high pacing here. But helps you finish with a clean race if you're having a clean race, because
That's got it. You guys
so everybody's not being
over the
douchey
dip
or cautious.
or on the outside of the dip.
Pit road is closed.
I run the middle and then point it down, and you have to hit it just right to get it to go. The bumps certainly make this place tricky.
So the next caution, that's our tire window.
This place is smooth, it's a piece of cake, but bumps give us some character. Kind of reminds me of Rocky Game a little bit.
One to go. Next time by. Line up on the inside.
Anybody watch the snow race last night?
Did what?
Hell yeah, it was great.
Pretty good race. But I think
About to go green. Stay focused. Post car is off. Time to do your job. Green flag, green flag. You're in the top 10. Car outside. Go low. Clear.
And we got a 4X. Some douche on the restart. Go figure.
The car inside. Stay high, there's a car on the low side. Clear inside, car inside. Stay high, there's a car on the low side. Keep high.
Sorry, I don't know if I actually made contact or not. I didn't actually get anything on my end.
Caution, yellow flag. Line up, single file.
bastard.
Closed, pit road is closed.
You son of a gun.
Fucking 4X.
She would have waited
Excuse my
2
language.
more seconds.
Just because somebody can't be a little better on the restart.
Sorry, I guess. I don't know.
Pit road's open.
Danny Knight passed us. I was trying to hold us on hand.
Oh, my car's not looking too bad now.
I don't know how I feel about getting there, but I got this extra set of tires, so I don't know. That was probably a dumb move on my part.
All clear, punch it.
Brandon, 2 more seconds I
You
would
are
have
out of time. They want you in single file.
Oh, I know.
Jester, 5,
You're
car,
right.
Pastor, 11, car.
Yeah, I was trying really hard not to door you. You know how hard it is on the bottom. Eight. Should be alright.
They also get 1 green light checker, so you do have a, opportunity to get some more laps in.
You also have a really good opportunity to be on the tow truck. Oh man, if that thing would have gone 2 more seconds. Great racing though. Just having to enter a corner, really slam on the brakes, try to gas up, hit the brakes so I can point it off the corners. Oliver, you're probably in the best spot.
Yeah, I guess we'll find out. Probably got a little bit of
1 left to green. Line up on the outside. Catch
They
up,
see down any
car.
motor damage and all.
Got 10 left to go.
Destroyed.
Who struck the 6?
Both the 6 and the 24, or the 18 in front of me.
Oh, this should be a blast for us then. Oh, you'll be fine.
Get ready, going green.
That's always reassuring.
The post car is off. Time to do your job.
Listen, nasal bag. Fucking just shut up and race. That's a good one.
Green flag, green flag. Go low.
Oh,
Outside.
man, I knew
The
that
yellow
was
flag
gonna
is out.
happen.
Line up, single file. Pit road is closed.
That was on me. That's definitely my fault. I hit that bump and I feel like
Well, I appreciate it.
Pastor, 14, car.
What are your RPMs supposed to be at?
Pit road is now
I think
open.
it's like just under 12.
I'm right at 1,000, so...
I've been trying to key up. Jason, was that on me, bud? Did I get into you, or was there other contact?
Somebody did, but I couldn't help. I mean, it was no big deal. Just trying to survive it.
No, that's why if that was me, I'd take responsibility, and I apologize for ruining anybody's race.
Half
No, you're
14, car.
I do want to replay that.
Wow, I am killed. I got 6 minutes. Oh, it's fun racing with you.
Catch star 10, car.
Hey, what, Brandon, you're in a pretty good shot to get the win. Gentlemen, let's say in World War II, the Japanese bombed.
Do what?
I said you're in a pretty good spot to win your Gordon.
No, I still got Oliver in front of me. I was wondering what the other guy said after you.
Talking about Pearl Harbor.
Might be accusing somebody of
Pit
that.
road is closed. 5
Yep,
laps
I
to
should have
go.
backed out of that. I should have known better.
Oliver, how'd you get damaged?
I think on a restart, he said.
Nobody wanted to go in front of me. I went in the middle.
1 to go, next time by. You're on the outside this time. Catch star 5, car.
Hey, Brad, I'm waiting for Apollo, so... Say what? I just said heads up, I'm way down on power.
About to go green. Stay focused.
I'm a lot of laps down.
Post car is off. Green flag, green flag. You're in the top 10. Inside. Still there. Clear inside. Let's go.
Really, Nate? Go.
Outside. Still there. White flag this time. Still there. Clear. Outside.
Hey, Nate, that was great driving.
Still there. Hold your line. Clear up top.
Oof.
Car inside. Clear.
Come
Hell
on.
of a win, Oliver. If I didn't race you all the time, I would have tried to put a door to you, but I couldn't.
Checkered flag,
Good
checkered
win.
flag.
Man, how'd I get an 8X?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Nice run. Solid work.
Good one.
I will take fourth in that one.
Well, everybody, hope you enjoyed watching. Man, this thing was giving out 4Xs even when there wasn't any, but, you know, so be it. We had a pretty good race overall.
Okay,
Just
punch
finished
it.
in 10th, so we might have gained a little spot, and hope you enjoyed watching.